not written officially.
Why?
Actually, the sub-county chief just told him when he was ready for duty.
So he left without...
For a meeting, yes. He just left.
Okay. Thank you. I can upgrade this copy to you because we have a secretary of that. Our rapporteur is going to be Honorable Uganda. Yes. So the rest will be now observing the indicators.
Okay.
I think let's go through the tools. It is district executive committee, that's the care facility monitoring team. The purpose is to access equitable access to quality of care services. Then the name of the facility, I think he has already written, date of the visit he has already written. So the staff attendant register book, is it available and updated? And we bring the...
Is that one?
Is that one?
The blue one.
The blue one. Attendance register. Today is the 23rd. Mimi was on that matter. 23rd, 22nd.
So,
there is no day when all of you are absent.
No.
Because I'm seeing 4 of you every day.
We are 4.
okay.
And normally we are available even on weekends.
Okay, thank you. So can we move to the next indicator? The staff present at youth roster. You have youth roster?
Is that? No. Actually, for us, we work together every day.
You don't have schedules.
No.
All of you are supposed to be here.
And we are only 4 now, we can't divide ourselves. We are only available all the time.
When the staff reported from duty, from time, you need to achieve from the other book.
You don't have time.
We have time.
I'm seeing 7. All of you arrive at the same time. That one arrived at 9.
Okay. Then the next one is the digital studies. So you can see the importance of having a digital study. Even if you are one, you're supposed to follow the digital study. Yes. I think it should be marking. I request that.
I write on it.
All right. And you also have where you can write your comments.
Okay.
Then the art facility in church. Is it present? So right now it's not present. Numbers of staff expected today.
They expected 4, but there are only 2. You're not seeing the second person. Is the second person there or you are alone?
No, she's there. I just sent her to help my baby.
She's around.
She has just gone.
Okay.
Numbers of staff from around on duty.
So the one expected is 4.
Health in charge.
Then, time the first staff reported. I don't know whether you are captured that one. The first staff report today.
I saw at 7.
7. Staff wearing identification and uniform.
You have left this one. Time staff close the facility.
Sorry.
This one. Number 4 last.
Okay. Time the staff across the facility. That book is very important, and that book has been. You have time for.
They don't have time for exit.
We have time there also.
Time out, supposed to be time out.
But I'm not seeing it. Time out, is it here?
Okay.
But you have not been writing. That means you just leave any time you wish. Except for Abala, who left at 5 p.m. yesterday.
Okay, let's move. The second one we have already under. Then, staff meeting minutes.
I've been calling Uganda to tell me where the minute book is. I'm not seeing it.
So the next one is.
Check. No, this is not the one.
Other findings, then availability of medicine and supplies. Yeah.
Sorry?
You calling him now, we continue.
No, I wanted to ask where you have put the minute book we have. I don't know where it is.
I'll give you like 2 minutes in first call.
Yes. The staff minute book is available. I don't know where it's put it.
Who writes the minute?
Anyone who knows.
Who wrote the last one?
The scar.
Then the scar must be where it is.
It is an engine who keeps that.
This one is
Hello. Good afternoon. Where is the staff minute book? We have visitors for monitoring. The minute book. The staff meetings.
Obala,
To see how you look.
this is JPK. I'm leading a team of that. There are other indicators to be challenging to us to handle if we come. The country but it's not far. The sub-country but it's not far. Let's just come and do that. Thank you.
This is the old one. This is the finished one. It is the old one.
I'll just say the importance of delegation. Official delegation.
Because right now you're working also illegally. For one part,
Let's consider now.
Okay.
Let's consider. Expect the intake coming.
This one is also the medicines. All we enter them in the stock card. Even the materials, the others used are all entered them to stock card. We have the stock cards in the
this was
store.
for March.
Yeah, that's
You had the last meeting in March.
Maybe we have to move around.
You will come and give us your best meeting. I don't know which one.
Where is your star? Where is your star?
It's just next year. The next door.
Maybe we need to, let's see.
To go there.
Okay. Because you take for us one of the essential medicine. We have anti-malaria, we have antibiotics. Do you have septin? Because septin is
No, we don't have.
You don't have, yeah?
It's not supplied.
Your stock card is here.
Aliba also.
Yes.
So, malaria drugs still?
Yes, we have.
Anti-malaria.
We have.
We need to buy
Antibiotics?
We have. Not called.
And HIV communities?
No.
that's at
Two. Information on that for you. Family planning?
We have.
Vaccines?
Yes, we have.
Do you have all the vaccines?
Yes.
Lab supplies?
We have.
They have
MRDT.
This is also part of their lab.
And this one for HIV test. And the HB.
And emergency drugs?
Yeah, emergency
Sorry?
drugs. Emergency drug.
No, don't have.
What are those
What about
drugs?
retinal testing?
I don't think they're supplying nowadays.
It is not there for BSP.
The last supply was just last week. I'm not sure if they received. Because I just the one of them.
Emergency drugs, hang on.
Emergency drug, right? Those are drugs you give for pre-referral treatment.
Pre-referral treatment.
Like diazepam, diazepam to settle. Like retinal test, they can do that. Yes.
So it's not available. Yeah, expired drugs?
No.
If the stock are updated, we need to verify too. We pick for anti-malaria.
Yes.
That's one verify. You have key for the stock.
I have. I've just opened to stay.
I want to verify something you Panadol, anti-malaria. Maternity will be a doxy.
Metro we have.
Okay, you pay for metro. At least 3. And we move with stresses. Only matter.
In the Zoom lab,
This one.
Just a moment. Have you entered, because we have just supplied the drug, have you entered in your stock card? That we get from there.
Okay, there I'm seeing this new form has not yet been entered. We are still using it. We have just received. This is the last consignment we are using it.
So that's this one.
This one is the new one. Like this one, it was covered from the store. They just removed it. So the new one is supposed to enter. We are using the whole store. This is paracetamol for last consignment.
still have some here.
I use that.
So which one is?
I think he has not yet entered. Ciprofloxacin and 20. It is, yeah. It's here. Yeah. This is 5, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, number 20, 28.
Your stock card is not updated.
It's behind me. 26. 26.
Are they 26
I
here?
have 28 here.
So the stock card is not updated.
What is wrongly updated?
It's wrongly updated. That's why we tell us we are trying always to do physical count.
Not entered.
Every month.
I thought if you're doing the stock count to count.
No, We
Just
count,
keep reducing.
we count physical, yes. You
Because now-
subtract and you add.
Because now you have 28 years at 26.
That now, that is
No,
wrong.
here they are 26, here are 28. How many are here?
This is 8, this is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 26. It's correct. It's correct.
This is settlement.
Absolutely.
This is all consignment. Can we verify this?
So not here. Stop that. 1 bit.
So you don't have somebody in charge of the tower?
Is the one in charge. Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
We continue from here? Okay, OPD services offered daily.
Is that the OPD?
Where are we starting?
Then maternity services.
We have ANC, postnatal, antenatal care, postnatal care, family planning. Yes.
Immunization services.
Yes, we have.
ANC services. HIV testing and treatment.
No testing.
Testing only.
Testing only.
Laboratory services.
Not
This one
all.
we don't have.
We have, but not all.
How do you
Only
refer people?
testing. We use the
Baruli.
PowerPoints.
Do you have any budget for it?
No, like transport, no. We
Do you
just,
budget for any fuel or transportation?
No.
In case of emergency.
no,
Do you attend to patients promptly?
yes,
Medical bill, no one here.
yes. No, what you're going to tell you now, for the fair.
Do you have any client who has ever complained? Complained.
Let us be sincere here. Do you have any client who has complained? Maybe staff are coming late, he was not attended, somebody was abused.
Do you have any complaint?
Then on your point, you have to do a year, but then that's now you're asking me.
Me, I've never had. I've been here, this is the second month anyway. I've not taken leave, but I've never had.
So here clients don't complain. Unfortunately, we have not got them in the line. They will tell us they are complaining.
Do you make follow-up of clients? Like, one modifier
This one, availability of client,
follow-up
log
contact client.
with contacts of clients, which during. Now what? Yeah, what we are meaning is, I don't know in your comprehensive patterns, because I communicate on the farm that you should indicate, you should allocate some money to all mothers who are missing immunizations, so that they come on that day. You're supposed to budget some money for calling to reduce the numbers of dropouts.
The 2 months I've been here. But I will tell the nation.
Because now, see, you see, so we want you to have a call log at least once a week. And take it home. In a week you can go to the book and call. And when we come, want to see that book. Want to see that book.
That countable.
So when there are more being for it, you want to ANC.
ANC and organization.
Yes, you take, you register them. Then can take care of the channel, the parliament, can they go a chimney cherry in a week. is okay. 2 weeks is not wrong. But we pay on. But also to you, when you call them, they value you. But they remember now they are going to change. And they can follow near. That is the purpose of this. Okay. So when we come another time, we want that logbook.
Okay. Supposed to buy a counter book, serial number, name, village, Paris, contact. No, right.
I don't know, cheaper to Megan.
Okay.
So they must go like
So we go to E, the general cleanliness of the compound. So I'm not finding but the observation that I've seen is that the maize plantation around the compound is not good. It breeds mosquito. It is advisable to plant things like giner, maybe beans, soya, and we put it down the board. That makes the compound bush.
Okay.
Do you have a mowing machine?
No.
Would you have a
Slasher.
So you need to get a mowing machine. I think this is in our new plan.
The second one. One
Mowing machine is
they don't have mowing machine.
they don't have.
Mine just come. You're welcome.
Mr. Bala,
You're welcome. Thank you.
where were you?
Maybe we can go outside now.
Mr. Bala, where have you been? That can help you slash here. And even because now that facility will be normal. So you need to plan for new machines. So the other one you're asking, do you have a cold logbook?
No.
When clients come out, you follow them. For example, when you're going to be looking at where you're attending, in your do a depth with your window, you need to remind them. Yeah? We are making with people who will. Then what is quality? Now, if out of negligence, you will no bad. Now we have got this, we have one call log, so you need to get a book. I can't give you where you need this at least once in a week. Out of your 2 staff, I'm seeing my sister and this one. We assign one of them in a week. You call them and remind them, I'm going to call Kwonkic, you remind them. And you're down and cheaper one matter. So that one will turn it missing. Then you know, take the machine, waiting, cleaning area.
Waiting area, clean.
And then what an OPD. Also clean. That one at least we do that you can reorganize how you assemble your things, so that it is nice looking. Then latrines, are your latrins functional?
That one we need to take the
You
walk.
need to go and see. If your latrins are
Let's go there.
you need to go and see.
the management action and more town here what in.
I think that one now, the district, we should not be management training the entire Earth Limit Management Committee. The responsibility is now the cow DSO's office. Let's give it to first quarter. First quarter, because the financial year is ending, then we plan to train these people in first quarter.
First quarter, eh? Okay. So you can put it somewhere in the first quarter.
So, how about tablet? Yes, again. Action.
No.
That one,
Just to buy one more tablet.
the youth are not to write to DSO's office.
But the issue is, all the health centers.
Don't say
So
that.
now what do you propose? That we should...
Okay, even we brought the
Is the
issue.
problem buying a tablet? What is the issue?
They told us we wait for some few months they will have. That's the information they gave us when they were
Who brought the tablet?
Sunday.
National Medical Store?
No. Even
The
it's
ministry.
ministry, but it's the one they used for sensitization in 2024.
The tablet they use for census.
Yes, census.
So they said they bring that one.
It's the one we are
They brought
using.
for us.
They brought for us. The ones for census 2024.
So to solve the issue, have you already tried using what you have?
Yeah,
We are starting
on the
July
first of
So
July.
we want to first start and we see now. So we cannot assume problems. What I am assuming is,
We know it will be,
update.
we know it will be there because there are different points here. Like antenatal mothers will be coming and patients also will be coming and immunization also will be there.
That means we should take focus on from 1st of July.
But there are key indicators we need to also include there. The duty roster. We are supposed to develop daily duty roster. That is also one of the key challenges.
Okay.
We need to include.
Okay.
And then, how do we close the manpower gap?
That one is now
That is now
recruitment.
recruitment.
Recruitment by cow office.
And we have also the issue of staff quarters. That house only accommodate 3 staffs. So we have 4. That's why now we,
But you stay here.
yes, all of us stays here, inside here.
Don't better run.
Accommodation.
We all stay here. Yeah, yeah. We stay.
I want you to be at the station.
Yeah. We are here.
One day a weekend.
We even we are here even. So the accommodation is also an issue.
Yeah, quickly, how many key indicators?
4.
4. The other thing is not clear.
The other things are not clean. That one you need to improve on it. Because they help you also. Hope for you when you go to the bush. Because if you use the same latrine, why should you make it? You don't have a potter.
Can get you can make
But
it
you
the
have
other
a
side.
potter.
Yes.
What's the use of a potter? Who is supposed to clean that place? Potter.
Potter.
Who is supposed to? Who is responsible?
The
Because I
potter.
know it is not you. So you need to talk to the potter.
Near the Kwonkic can make it get you around here in the villages. They come to who does not even have latrine.
Abudala,
Yes.
let's buy. Now you give the gumboots. Give the gumboot to the potters, buy the gloves, buy everything, buy even detergent for protecting the hands of the potter. Let the potter clean the latrine once.
That is his work.
Then the potter should supervise. Somebody who spoil the latrine, use it to go and clean.
We have already given the gumboots and the cleaning Materials are there.
So you see, long one look for the right. So there, but it's a catcher or yard. To Mara, you learn my cherry. And there's someone responsible. You are not to get in the binal of women. You can be on my bar of around it's about a theory.
He's the one supervising.
That is your work.
Okay. And then you can buy to run the car. You first go and clean. Okay. Yes.
So that means the potter should always be around. Of course, the slashing. You need to get that mowing machine. Yes. There are key recommendations I want to tell you. Get along to the church. I think you are finishing.
Yeah, the last one. Before you conclude, maybe you make a general rating and how is the facility.
Then we go to
excellent.
after finishing from here, we go and sign the
It ranges between fair and good depending on your analysis as a technical person.
How do you rate?
At least it is not very poor. So it is between fair and good.
Not excellent.
What's your rating?
Only one thing though.
No minute book. You're not eating. You don't run out the roster. You don't follow clients.
Let's give them time.
It's okay.
Next time you get good when you.
So when next time you come, there will be improvement. When it's fair, it may go to good.
Yes.
Now, allow him counter sign and
As you make your general
comments. I'm not watching. You're really long watching.
Yeah.
I'm not watching. Teacher, the thing was sitting down. Make a good in pan. I will be in there. I'll tell you. Give money and more carrying of your attitude for a book. Kalu to be block me where choice. Then the next one maybe do it.
your contact.
At least it's a better chair. Go to young weber in at least in a week. In a week, I'll wear that on Friday. The next night, the check is saying a check of watching before we the Nemo. No down no wag the and no for a community. So we need a call of Bukan, Manu Neuro. Maybe we for money. Now, no mowing machine.
That's true.
So I want you to get a mowing machine, make a more. And to run the dry of money. So anything can get no how many how we budget what money is okay. Very teach. Well, no, I'm a kind of in charges. Take a bit of no, I have a good, not a beauty. When you're in charges, you want to get kind. You don't guy all I did in charge. They were all down by delegation. Now we came here, the facility was empty. I asked her, do you have a delegation letter? No. So she just walked in legally without cutting Balmo to Baldako. So you need, when you're leaving the facility, make it with job, for this reason, take charge. Gaga down building and I pay piano well. For this reason, and you're able to take care of that. So you can town benefit. Anyway, why local suggestion box? Yes, anyway, look at that. You can plan one, me for one and one call. I can take a pair more, choice better than one come in one. And you better be in a car down what you know. You can do all being a dad. But there can get a new choice. Don't you get me pain? To be low people. Then refarmers. For me, the budget. Then the big time from home. And you know what down on the community. Pero be dealing to 12. You give me one of the memo. Now, neto you look at driver on your remote bingo, maybe more, drive me and business. When you come, you know,
Okay.
And then book with quarter, down the moon with Faros Kiboto.
Yes.
A kilo, no, I'm not driver being going to sign, come here,
Okay.
to Nana, we are all community. Because the parent tell you now, we are near kind of not go down. Cover is taking me, kill or the motor kind of meeting. I'm not the good around manage, but carry the body, can you know, the punish and meal, keep joy, and rather catching and turn when you are okay. They call community. Then the other ones of community, from the down, now. Those are the reforms we want. See, I mean, the corner, there are bara won't come. Okay, this man can't be made it. We don't block him. But so I made the management look bad now. Yes, today I'm kind of calling you just from Jalabino Chong. And then I'll be able to join Chamaroma. Not down where we'll charge. Is that possible? You cannot arrive at the same time. Down being now like lashing. When you go to the left hand side, put the fat on task. At least near a chair. Can't down the drone to let me be honest with you. Down the drone to to run my bed. Now don't be dealing put gap in the leg. But you won't know who you know the Lord out read. I like you more in the no
I'm going to say we download from the farm.
when you're running, what I pay you to know. That's the indicator. You matter one and but the truth is, the material part of what you teach. So, you mentally in charge. You should take note of that.
Yes.
Yeah. I can't you, I'm the guy. Chama can know. Chama can know Balogango. Because I'm not my character, maybe your wife not quite what she no Baleko. So, let's work together with Konijoa.
Okay.
Commander, in the sector of the health.
Okay.
How will you make a chop of the sector of finance and administration? I'm not going to be the moon go.
Okay.
Yes, that time me, look, name is speaker.
Okay.
Yeah, representing the association.
And the speaker, men local government, Makamaka,
Speaker,
and they have a logo. You're tiny of the town of them. So, how I woman will go your own. So, then the town watching, look more for the